Hello everyone, it's Bernadette, Simply Be Art in Cape Town. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm doing an experiment for you. I'm going to be doing a flip cup pour, but I'm going to specifically be testing some additives, some silicone oils from different brands to show you which brand in South Africa that's accessible to you will give you cells in your flip cup. And this is a special request from a follower that has asked me to please do this experiment. And so here it is. I hope that you will enjoy this video and that there will be some new learnings for all of us that comes from it. So the cell additive that I'm using is a Easy Cell Former from at.least paint. That's the one. The next one will be Montmartre silicone oil, and followed by a hair serum that I'm also going to be using. And this hair serum is, you can find it at your Click store. The first ingredient in this hair serum is dimethicone. So if you're using a hair serum, please make sure that it contains dimethicone as the first ingredient. Now let me take you to the paints that I will be using. I'm using different brands in this pour. The first one is Montmartre's Viridian. The second one is Dala's Cerulean Blue. Third is Dala's Permanent Yellow. I'm also going to be adding in a white from Heritage Paints. And then I'm using Cadmium Orange Deep U from Iris. All my paints are mixed with the glue and water pouring medium in the ratio 1 part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium. So I'm first going to be filling up each of these tot cups, 1, 2, 3, with the color that you see in front of it. So these tot cups will get the Viridian green, these ones will get the cerulean blue, these ones will get the yellow, and so forth and so forth. So once each one of those cups will be filled with paint, I am then going to add in the silicone oil in every color in the row that is in front of that silicone oil bottle. So this row will get the Montmartre, and this row will get the Atlas Cell Former, and every cup will only get 1 drop of silicone. So I'm going to do that, and then we're going to fill up the flip cups after that. So please enjoy the process with me. Please leave your comments below, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'd really love you to join my family, my YouTube family. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care. So now that I've filled all these cups with each one of these colors, so I've got 3 cups of the Viridian, I've got 3 cups of blue, 3 cups of yellow, white, and then the orange. I'm going to be filling each one of these rows. So every color is going to have the Easy Cell Former. Let me open up the cap, and then I'm going to shake the bottle up. And because it seems like the contents looks clear, but when you shake it up it becomes sort of milky. So it's clear now. Let me get you into view. When you shake it up it becomes sort of milky. So let me give it a good shake. So that's what it looks like now once you've shaken it up. And now I'm going to add just a drop in every cup. I hope I'm going to get this right, just to get a drop out, because it's quite thin. That's 2 drops. There we go. Then I'm going to stir that up. The next silicone that I'm going to add into this row is the Montmartre silicone oil. Let me open that one up, and then I'm going to add it to these colors. So once again, I'm going to try my best just to do 1 drop. That's 1 drop. Oops. 1 drop. There we go. just 1 drop of silicone. And lastly, I'm going to do the hair serum. This hair serum I get at Clicks. So let's see. There we go. 1 drop. 1 drop in the white. 1 drop in the yellow. 1 drop in the blue. 1 drop. All right, let's mix all these paints together with the silicone oil, and then we're going to layer each of these rows. We're going to layer in its own cup. 1, 2, 3 cups. The third cup is for the third row, and then we're going to do a flip cup on these 3 canvases right there. I'm just getting some stir sticks into the tot cups or the shot glass cups, and we're going to be mixing up those paints. The first lot of paint is the ones with the cell former in it. I'm going to just be removing some of these canvases. We're going to be doing a flip cup on these canvases. Let me just get the right, there we go. Got you in view. The first cup is I'm just stirring the paints because it's got the silicone in it. So that's the orange. This is the cup with the white. This is the cup with the yellow. Cerulean blue. And the Viridian. Here we go. Let's layer our cup. I'm going to start with the orange. All right, let's flip this cup over. Just a reminder, this is the flip cup with the easy cell former. All right, let's give this cup a flip and lift. Just cleaning the edges. Right, so the next cup, these paints have been filled with the Montmartre silicone oil. That's the orange. Just stirring them up. This is the white. I love how that white is behaving in this flip cup. Usually the white goes missing, but I see this, it hasn't done that this time. The white is really showing up beautifully in this flip cup. I'm so happy to see that. But the yellow has somewhat disappeared. Don't know what happened to the yellow, but let's go for this one. Once again, this is the paints that have the Montmartre silicone oil in them. Let's flip this one over. Give it some time to settle to the bottom. And then we're going to do the next flip cup, which is the hair serum. I'm going to lip this one. Okay, just giving it a torch. I'm going to stretch it a little bit more, just a tiny bit more, back and forth, just to stretch out those cells a bit. All right, that was the Montmartre silicone oil. Let's put this painting. I want to change the sheet again and pick up those drips. So the next batch of paints has got the hair serum oil in it, and the hair serums, the prominent ingredient in this product is dimethicone. So I've put one drop in each of these colors as well. This is the orange, then the white, same colors as before. This is the white, then the yellow, then the cerulean blue, and the viridian. All right, let's do this one. That's the cup we're going to fill. I'm going to put the white in first. Let's give this cup a flip. Give it a few minutes before we... I'm also going to flip and I'm going to give it a rec as well. Flip and rec. No, let's not do that. Oh, this looks beautiful already. I'm loving this one already. Just popping the air bubbles. That is bringing up so many cells. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Oh goodness. Right, let's just get Paint off the edge. Oh wow, this is looking so gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Oh my word. This is a surprise. Beautiful beyond words. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Let's get the other corner. Whew. Amazing, 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 amazing. Oh my goodness. This is stunning. So stunning. Oh my word. Wow. Let's just get the edges. Get all the corners covered. Wipe the underside. Oh, I'm loving this one. Whew. Just working on a little bit of composition right now. But I am super impressed with this product. Jeez. Wow. Just wow. I've taken off my gloves and I'm going to pick up the drips, put it on a tray so that I can save it for some jewelry pieces, and then I'm going to show you the final results of all three silicones in a flip cup using the same colors and the same mix of paint. So I'll be back in a second.